How to download your Word Trip app on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download your Word Trip app on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, what you'll need to do is open up your App Store. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and after you open up your App Store, simply head over to the search bar on the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and search for Word Trip. So simply search for Word Trip and hit search, and then you should see the game right here. After you find the game, simply tap on install, and as you can see, the game is installing in mine already. And as you can see right here, the game is a really fun, addicting puzzle. You can use different letters to form words and then collect stars. So yeah, you can easily get this on your App Store or Google Play Store. And yeah, that is how you install and download Word Trip app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.